Hello children, welcome to the second session of maths class. Hope you all are doing well. Okay, now in last session we have learned the smallest and greatest 1 and 2 digit numbers, how to write the numbers in tens and ones, and writing the number names, and then writing the numerals from given number name. Okay, so now let us continue with other topics. Our next topic is what comes just after, before the given number, and what comes in between two given numbers. Okay, now suppose we take a number 7. Okay, we have to write the number which comes just after the 7. Okay, now while counting the number which you get just next to the given number. Okay, now see, I have written this countings. The number, you have to find out the number which comes just next to 7. Okay, so while counting, you all know countings, counting from 1 to 100 at least. Okay, so here while counting forward, which number comes just next to 7? It is 8. Okay, after 7 it is 8. So what comes after 7? It is 8. Got it? Now suppose I am taking this another number 19. Now how to find what comes after 19? Okay, now while counting, find out the number which comes just next to 19. Okay, so we can start from 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and what is next to 19? It is 20. Okay, what is next to 19? It is 20. So the number after 19 is 20. Okay, one more example. 27. What comes after 27? We can start counting from 20. Suppose I am counting from 23, 24, 25, 26, 27 and 28. Okay, what comes after 27? Which number is next to 27? It is 28. Okay, so the number just after 27 is 28. Okay, now how to find out number just before? Okay, now see here, suppose you have to write the number which comes just before. You have to write the number just before 5. What comes just before 5? Okay, so let's counting the number which is just back to 5 is here. See, which is the number before 5? It is 4. Okay, it is 4. So the number which comes before 5 is 4. Okay, now the number, which number comes before 24? Which number comes before 24? Now see here counting. What comes before 24? It is 23. Okay, 24 comes after 23, and then what comes before 24? 23. Okay, so the number which comes before 24 is 23. Then find out the number which comes just before 55. Okay, now just see the countings. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. We have to write the number which comes just before 55. So what comes before 55? It is 54. Okay, understood all of you? Okay, now how to write the number which comes in between? How to find the number which comes in between? Okay, now third topic is write the number which comes in between two given numbers. Suppose I am taking a number 17 and 19. Okay, now you have to write the number which comes in between. Now see this counting: 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Okay, now we have to write the number which comes in between 17 and 19. Now say this number: 17 and 19. Okay, so which number comes between 17 and 19? It is 18. Okay, 17, 18, 19. Okay, 17, 18 and 19. Now see here, suppose you have to write number which comes just after 17. Okay, which number comes just after 17? It is 18. And then you have to write, suppose, which number comes just before 19? It is 18. Okay, so the number which comes in between is just after number of 17 here in this example, and 18 comes before 19. Okay, here the number which comes in between is, it comes just after the first number and it comes just before the next number. Okay, now you have to write the number which comes just between 21 and 23. Okay, now you know all countings, so just count from here: 20, 21, then 22 and then 23. So what comes in between 21 and 23? 22. Now write the number which comes between 95 and 97. Count and tell me. 95 and 97. The number comes between these two is 96. Okay, 95, 96, 97. Okay. 3. So our next topic is comparison of numbers. Okay. Comparison of numbers. So how to compare two given numbers. Okay. Now suppose I just write these two numbers, 7 and 33. Can you tell which number is greater and which number is smaller? Yes, smaller. 7 is the smaller number and 33 is the bigger number. Okay, 33 is the bigger number and 7 is the smaller number. Okay, now the value of the number with one digit is smaller than the value of the number with two digits. Okay, the number with more number of digits. How many digits are there? 2. Ones and tens. And here only one digit. Okay, so the number with more number of digit has more value compared to the number with the value of number with less number of digit. Okay, now compare 9 and 14. Compare 9 and 14. Which one is the bigger number and which one is the smaller? Yes, the number with single digit is smaller and number with two digit is bigger. Okay, now how to compare the numbers with same number of digits. Okay, here you have to compare now two digits numbers. 3. Okay, so let us take two digit numbers, 35 and 12. Okay, both numbers have two digits, ones and tens. Ones and tens. Now we have to compare these two numbers. Okay, now to compare these numbers, we have to compare the digit at higher place. Higher means here the higher place is tens place. Okay, here the higher place is tens place. So here you have to compare the tens place digit. Okay, Now here in this first number it is 3 and in second number it is 1. So which one is the bigger number? Number with the 3 at tens place is the bigger number. Okay, because 3 is greater than 1. Okay, so 35 is the bigger number. Okay, and 12 is the smaller number. Okay, let us take some more examples. Now we have to compare 45 and 39. Okay, how will you compare? By comparing the digit at tens place. What is at tens place? In this number it is in 39 3 is at tens place and in 49 4 is at tens place. So which one is the bigger and which one is the smaller? Yes, 4 is the bigger number here and 3 is the smaller. So 45 is the bigger number and 39 is the smaller number. Okay, got it? How to compare two digit numbers? By comparing the tens place. Okay, now if tens place is same, for example 83 and 85, here what is at tens place? The digits are same. Here is also 8 and in this number also the tens place is 8. Now how will you compare? If tens place is same, we have to compare ones place. Okay, if tens place is same, we compare ones place. Okay, now here what is it ones place? 3 and here it is 5. Okay, so which number is smaller compared to 3 and 5? 3 is smaller number. Okay, so 83 is the smaller number. 83 is the smaller number and 5 is bigger, so 85 is the bigger number. Okay, among these two numbers 83 is the smaller number and 85 is the bigger number. Okay, now compare these two numbers. 12 and 18. Which one is the smaller number? See, this tens place is same. Okay, tens place is same. So which place we have to compare? Ones place. Okay, if tens place is same, we have to compare ones place. Okay, now see here. By seeing this number, you can find out which number is the smaller one. Yes, 12. Okay, 1 to 12. 12 is the smaller number and 18 is the bigger number. Clear all of you? Three. Okay, so now we have learned how to compare the numbers. Okay, how to find out how to compare between two numbers, which one is smaller and which one is bigger. Now we'll learn how to use the sign of greater than, smaller than and equal to. Okay, okay, now see here, this is the sign of greater than, this is the sign of smaller than, and this is, yes, it is equal to sign. Now suppose again I am writing to compare the numbers. Okay, I am giving two numbers to compare. Now here you don't have to write bigger or smaller, you have to use this sign. Okay, greater than and smaller than sign. Now see here, this is greater than sign. Which sign is this? Greater than. Okay, now see in here, in greater than sign, the mouth of this symbol remains open towards greater number. Okay, the mouth of this symbol remains open towards greater number and the closed part is towards the smaller number. Okay, now see here, for example I am comparing these two numbers 9 and 5. Okay, 9 and 5. Now you know which one is bigger and which one is smaller number? Yes, 9 is the bigger number. So the mouth of this symbol remains open towards bigger number, that is 9. Okay, and this sign is greater than sign. Okay, now we'll compare 4 and 8. 4 and 8. Now here bigger number is 8 and smaller number is 4. Okay, so what happens? How will we use this symbol? The mouth of this symbol remains open towards bigger number. So bigger number is 8. So we'll draw the sign. We'll use this symbol. Okay, and this symbol is the symbol of smaller than. Okay, this is smaller than sign. Okay, now see here, 25, 52. Compare the tens place. Okay, this number is smaller or bigger? Yes, it is smaller number. 25 is smaller than 52. And which symbol we'll use? Okay, we'll use smaller than sign. Okay, 52 is the bigger number and the mouth of this sign remains open towards bigger number. So how will we read this statement? 25 is smaller than 52. Okay, 25 is smaller than 52. Now compare 91 and 89. Okay, now compare these two numbers, 91 and 89. 91 is the bigger number and 89 is the smaller number. Okay, so which sign we'll use here? Greater than or smaller than? See, this mouth of this sign remains open towards bigger number. Okay, so this one is bigger number, so we'll use this sign. And which sign is this? It is greater than sign. Okay, so how will we read this? 91 is greater than 89. Okay, 91 is greater than 89. Okay, now compare these numbers. Compare the number and show which sign we'll use here. Okay, which sign we'll use here? 12 and 51. The numbers you have to compare is 12 and 51. So which one is this bigger number? Yes, it is 51. Okay, so we'll use this sign. Okay, the mouth remains open towards bigger number. And how will we read here? 12 is smaller than 51. This sign is of smaller than. Okay, so 12 is smaller than 51. Okay, okay, now compare these two numbers, 36 and 36. Okay, now here the digits at ones and tens place, the digit at ones and tens place both are equal. Tens place is also equal and ones place is also equal, 36 and 36. Okay, so here we'll use equals to sign. Okay, how will we read? 36 is equal to 36. Okay, now again, when we'll compare two equal numbers, we'll use the sign of equal to. Okay, 10 is equal to 10. Clear all of you? Okay. Now let us solve some other questions also. this sign. Okay. Compare 35 and 64. Okay. 35 and 64. Which number is smaller and which one is greater? Now here 35 is the smaller number and 65 is the bigger number. Okay. So, sorry, it is 64. So 64 is the bigger number. So we'll use smaller than sign. Okay. The mouth remains open towards bigger number here. Okay. And we'll read as 35 is smaller than 65. Okay. Now here compare 93 and 36. Okay. 93 is smaller or bigger? Yes, it is bigger number. And 36 is the smaller number. So we'll use here greater than sign. Okay. 93 is greater. So mouth of this sign will remain open towards 93. Okay. So 93 is greater than 36. Again here 14 and 41. Okay. Here 14 is the smaller number and 41 is the bigger number. Okay. So again here we'll use smaller than sign. Okay. 41 is bigger. So mouth of this sign remains open towards bigger number and we'll read as 14 is smaller than 41. Now here 23 compare with 23. Both numbers are equal. So which sign we'll use? Yes, we'll use equal to sign. 23 is equal to 23. Got it all of you? Okay, so our next topic is ascending order. Arranging the numbers into ascending order. Till now we have learned how to compare two numbers. Okay, now we have to compare more than two numbers and we have to arrange them in ascending order. Now what do you mean by ascending order? In this we arrange the numbers from the smallest to the biggest number. Okay, we arrange the numbers from the smallest to the biggest. Okay, now I am taking these numbers. Okay, I have taken these 4 numbers. Now you have to arrange these given numbers, this group of given numbers in from smallest to biggest, that is in ascending order. Okay, so now first of all you have to find out which number is the smallest one. Okay, so to find out the number, the smallest number, we compare tens place. Okay, to compare the numbers, first we have to compare the highest place. So in this 2-digit number, the highest place is tens place. Okay, so let's see 2, 4, 1 and 3. Which is the smallest number? Yes. Number with 1 at tens place. This is the smallest number. So here first we'll write 14. Okay. 14 is the smallest number among these. Now after 14, compare again 2, 4 and 3. Which one is the smallest? Yes, here it is 24. Okay, 2 at tens place. So 24 is the smallest number among these 3 numbers. Now 24 is written. Now these 2 numbers are left. Compare them. Here 4 is at tens place and here 3 is at tens place. So compare these 2 numbers. Which one is smaller? Yes, it is 34. So write 34. Now which number is left? The biggest number here is 42. Okay. So here you have arranged the numbers from smallest. We have arranged the numbers from smallest to the biggest number. 14, 24, 34 and then 42. Okay. Let's take some more examples. four numbers. Now find out the smallest number among these four. Okay, compare. Tens place 1, 4. Here it is 8, and in this number 1. Okay. Now see here. There are two numbers. There are two numbers where the tens place is same. Okay. Here also 1, and here it is also 1. So when tens place are equal, we compare ones place. Okay. We compare ones place. Here it is 7, and here it is 0. So which one will be the smaller number? Yes, 10. Okay. 10. And then next number will be 17. Now which two numbers are left? 40 and 81. So here what is at tens place? 4, and here it is 8. So which one is smaller? 40. And then the biggest number is 81. Okay, so here we have arranged from again smallest to biggest. 10, 17, 40 and 81. Okay, so how do we arrange the numbers in ascending order? We arrange from the smallest number to the biggest number. Okay. Okay, now our next topic is, last topic is descending order. Okay, now in this descending order we'll arrange the numbers from biggest number to the smallest number. Okay, we'll arrange the numbers from biggest to the smallest. Okay, now again to compare the numbers here, to arrange the numbers, first all these numbers are of 2-digit numbers, so we'll compare the highest place, that is tens place. Okay, again 2, 1, 3 and 9. Which is the biggest number? Here we have to arrange from biggest to smallest in descending order. Okay, so biggest number is 91. Okay, number with 9 at tens place. 91 is the biggest number. Okay, now which is the biggest number in other three numbers? Okay, 29, 19, 36. 3, 1 and 2. Which is the bigger one? Biggest is 36. So the next number here in the list will be 36. Now 29 and 19. Which one is the bigger? See here 2. 2 is at tens place and 1 is at tens place. Okay. So here bigger number is 29. And then the smallest number is 19. Okay. So here in descending order we arrange the numbers from biggest to the smallest. We arrange the numbers from biggest to the smallest. Okay. Now here you have to compare the numbers. Okay, we always compare the tens place, the highest place. But see here, one number is of 1 digit. Okay, 9. 9 is 1 digit number, and other numbers are of 2 digit numbers. Okay, and the number with less number of digits, the value of the number with less number of digit is smaller compared to 2 digit numbers. Okay, so now arrange, this is ones place, only 1 digit number. Okay, now first of all you have to compare the tens place of 2 digits number. 3, 4, 7. Which one is the bigger? Biggest is 75. Okay, 7, 4, 3. Among this the biggest number is 75 with 7 at tens place. Okay, so first of all we'll write 75. Now compare these three numbers. 9, 31, 43. 9 has a smaller value compared to these two numbers. Okay, so we'll compare 3 and 4. Okay, so 4 is the bigger one. So next number we'll write is 43. The next number is 43. Then which two numbers are left? 9 and 31. Okay, so which one is bigger among this? Of course 31. Okay, because 9 is a single digit, one digit number, and the smallest number in this group is 9. Okay, so 75, 43, 31 and 9. So in which order we arrange the numbers in descending order? We arrange from biggest to the smallest. Okay, let us take one more example. Okay, now again here you have to arrange the numbers in descending order. Now what you can see here is tens place. In all these numbers, tens place is same. Okay, in all these four numbers, tens place is 5. So how will we compare the numbers? By comparing ones place. Okay, by comparing ones place, we'll find which number is the smallest and which one is the biggest. Okay, now first of all we'll find the biggest number. Compare this ones place: 3, 4, 1 and 9. So which number is the biggest one? It is 59. 9 at ones place. Okay, so first of all we'll write 59 while arranging the numbers from biggest to smallest. Now compare ones place in other three numbers: 3, 4 and 1. Which one is bigger? Yes, it is 54. So we'll write 54 in the list. Now two numbers are left: 53 and 51. What is at ones place here? 3. And what is at ones place in this number? 1. So which one is the bigger one? 53. Okay, so write 53. And then the smallest number is 51. Okay, so again we have arranged the numbers from biggest to smallest: 59, 54, 53 and 51. Clear? So in which order we arrange the number in ascending? From smallest to biggest, and in descending order we arrange the numbers from biggest to smallest. Okay, another topics which we have learned today is comparison of numbers. With the help of that, means after comparing only we can be able to arrange the numbers in ascending and descending order. Okay, now whatever topics we have learned till now, in next session we will solve in book. Okay, so in next session we'll be doing book work. That's all for today. Stay at home, stay safe.